Ndo didn't care. How? Poche.
You know, I'm always the best, no matter the little challenges.
Aye. It's all right. It's okay. This is why I'm always here. To enjoy myself.
Oh,
to
yes.
the fullest.
Oh, yes.
That's good.
I'm always the best. You know, he challenged me.
Who?
Who am I talking about? Chuka, of course. He challenged me that over his dead body, will he leave that house?
Huh?
Yes.
Then he should make arrangement for those who will carry his corpse out of that place. Didn't you tell him that?
What will I do now?
You are asking me. Invite us. Invite the elders. We will make him understand reason why he should leave the house for you. Ejiofor has gone long ago. That makes you the eldest in the family.
Yes.
But you have to allow him to stay in this place.
Of course I will. Huh? What am I doing in this dilapidated house?
Are you saying, this place is not dilapidated. This place is very okay.
But that one is 100% better.
And that is why you want that one. There's no problem.
But my fear is the elders will tag it as injustice.
Injustice. That you are claiming what belongs to you is injustice. Ejiofor has gone long ago. And that makes you the eldest in the family. Huh? Don't forget about that.
Will they reason like you do now?
Ndode. Call the meeting and leave the rest for me. I just call the meeting. Leave the rest for me. Or don't you trust me again?
I do.
I
do.
But make sure you prepare enough of this one on that day.
Why wouldn't I?
It's all right.
What do I do in this village? I will bring enough of it.
Just call the meeting first. Leave the rest for me. What are you talking? I beg, take you a drink.
Chuka, you're doing this again. Huh?
I'm not crying. But, Ijoma, why should things continue like this? Who did we offend?
You didn't offend anybody. And you have to stop doing this to yourself. We'll survive. We'll survive. You see that I've started firewood business and we're getting small money from there. And if you join me, we'll make times 2 the money that I'm making. We'll keep at it till God shows up for us in a bigger way.
Huh? I should join your firewood business?
Yes. What is that?
Huh? I didn't say anything.
So?
So?
Are you joining me?
Ijoma! Ijoma! Yes. I called you. So, you have to stay back and prepare some food for us to eat. I have to deliver this firewood to Madam Umachi.
She didn't ask for firewood. Was it not 2 days ago we took firewood to her?
Well,
I doubt if she want more firewood.
you don't know that. We need money in this house. Huh? We need money in this house. So there's nothing wrong with surprising her with some more firewood. So just make sure you... Hey. I'm coming.
Okay. I'll be making the food.
All right.
Go well.
Ijoma, you see Madam Umachi? She's a very good woman. These past few weeks, I'm beginning to see her like a mother. Honestly.
She's a good woman. She's the person that encouraged me to continue my work diligently. Adding that God can bless one with anything. In fact, since I started supplying her firewood, she has not bought from any person except me.
Chai.
Bless her.
That reminds me. She said she wants to see you as soon as possible.
She said that?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Is everything alright?
I wouldn't know. Why do you ask?
Because it's unlike her to request to see me. Especially, all we have done is firewood business.
I don't know. She just said she wants to see you as soon as possible.
Hi, it's almost late. The day is almost over. You should have told me before now that I'm
Ijoma,
on my way
relax
to that
now.
place.
You can see her anytime. You can see her tomorrow. You can see her anytime. But she just said you should see her.
Ma, I've dropped the firewood at the backyard.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. I'll be on my way now.
Ijoma, please come.
Yes, ma'am.
There is something I want us to talk about.
Okay.
Please draw the bench and sit. I've come to know you and your brother for over 3 months now. So I'm suggesting maybe you should come and be helping me in this my akara business. I think it's better off than going into the bush to fetch firewood. What do you think?
My brother alone cannot get you the quantity of firewood you need, ma.
But he can be getting from other sources to supply me.
Firewood selling is our only source of income, ma.
But I'll be paying you on everything.
Thank you so much, ma.
And this is something I think you should go home and ponder over.
Ma, there's nothing to think about. I accept.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'll give my brother the good news.
Okay.
Get yourself prepared.
I'll be here tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Sorry.
Bye. Take care.
Nwekwa ihe mmadụ na-aga anụ n'ụwa. Hey! Nna anyị, ị na ebe a na-aṅụ nkwụ, aṅụ mmanya. Do you know that Chuka and the sister want to bring shame to this family? For over 6 months now, they have been hawking firewood around the village, even near the market square. And the sister, being Ijoma, is a learning apprentice from Umachi, the woman that is selling akara at the junction. Chuka and ere firewood. Nine. What kind of disgrace is this? They want to disgrace our family.
But why? How does that concern you? Why would you come to disturb me where I'm enjoying my drink?
Hey! Ndodi erigeri. Are you sure Nerirogeri? Why are you asking how does it concern you? In Adum, how does it concern you? It concerns us in every ramification. Don't you know it's the family name we're talking about here? They want to drag our family name to the mud. In Oreba and ask him, how does it concern you? Is it not from our farmland that they are fetching that firewood that they are selling? Is this when they exhaust it now? Tell me where I will get firewood that we will use to be cooking food. On ask him, how does it concern him?
Now you are talking. I have understood you now. No, as for them turning themselves to errand boy and errand girl, to Akara woman, that I don't mind. But as for going to my farm to collect firewood, that's my land, it will happen. Obey,
I am happy you are seeing it from my own point of view now. That is, if actually you are seeing it that way. And I heard that they are getting plenty money from that firewood business. Stop them, oh! Give me! You have to be focused whenever I'm telling you something important. You won't act like a man. I want you to stop them now.
You see, whatever they have there before. But henceforth, I will not allow them to enter that place to collect firewood. It will not happen again.
Are you going there right now?
In fact, I'm going there to stop it.
Are you sure you are going to do it?
No, we'll do it.
Hey, Papa. Not that we'll do it, Papa. Do it now. Whatever you want to do it now.
Now.
Act now, Papa. Before something else will happen.
I will go there, and stop them. Give me.
You're going there now, Papa.
Give me a knife.
Madam, I wanted to ask you, do you want me to supply some more?
No. This is the fourth time you are bringing firewood for me. I think you should go.
Madam, I am not complaining. I am not tired.
I know you are not tired and you need the money.
Madam, if you want 10,000 pieces, I can bring it for you.
You need rest. Please, rest. I know you need this money. But this money we are even talking about has been in existence even before we came. And we shall be here where we might have gone.
Madam, we have to work hard.
I know. Yes, you are a hard-working man, I know. Go home and rest for today. Okay. And we will continue tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes. I even forgot. So how much is your money?
Madam, just give me what you have.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take this one. Huh? Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma. Are you sure you don't want me to bring more? Okay, no problem. All right.
I was on my way to your house to meet you and your brother Chika. But thank God I met you here. No, there's nothing good about this day. So hold your good day. Hold it. You will hear me sound like this more if you and your confused brother tries my patience again. Who told you to go and fetch firewood from that place? Who told you to go and fetch firewood from my farmland? Who told you? Shut up that you are getting him out. Are you expecting me to answer that question from you? What? Hey! If you want to fetch firewood, you see evil forest, go there and fetch as much firewood as you want. But since your trade now is to go into the bush like animal, go there and fetch firewood, not on my farmland. Do you hear it? Not on my farmland. Because if I get mehu, pass this message to your brother Chuka. Godson. Stop right there.
Papa, good morning. Good evening.
Where are you coming from?
Papa,
I said, where are you coming from?
I went to see my friend.
And that your friend did not tell you to go home until late this night. Huh?
Papa, I'm sorry.
That is not the answer to my question. What time is it?
Papa, you know I'm not wearing watch now. I wouldn't know. I don't know what the time is.
You don't know what the time is. You don't know, as a woman, you are supposed to prepare food for dinner.
I prepared food before leaving the house now. Didn't you see it? There was food on the table.
Oh. That afternoon food. Is that what we will eat this night? Huh? Oh, answer me. Is that what we eat this night? Look. Oh! When next you try this, I will skin you alive. Look at your mate, Ijoma, and her brother. They hustle every day to put food on their table. Huh? You won't emulate them and be useful to yourself? Huh?
My ear, Papa.
Come on. Get inside. Fool. Nonsense. Ha! Just imagine.
Mama, you're welcome. Thank you. All right. Okay, one minute. Good afternoon. Where are you going to? Who are you going to? You're asking me where I'm going to as if you're in your own house. Are you in your own house? Ah, okay, have money. Madam, good afternoon. Huh? Hey, wait. Hey! You stop the business of wrapping a car. Now, you're hoping for your or you're doing the both together. Stop greeting me. Look at her. Every time. Hey! You don't know you're wrong. When I was passing, like I was going on my own, did I talk to you? Eh? Is it not you that took this your man that you know keep in one place and greet me? Did I call your name? You think I didn't see it? I saw you now, but I don't want to greet you. Leave me alone. So I tell the crime. Oh, see? Who is your sister? Yes. My name is Oge. But I'm not your sister. See, let me explain. How am I sure? How am I sure you're not the one telling my fathers about me? Gossiping here and there because in this village you refuse to mind your business. That's why my father is comparing me with you as if you're succeeding. Look at you. Poverty, Ijoma, poverty. You got poverty. Look at her. Don't come and stop me and talk to me again.
Plenty jara.
Thank you.
Look at you. Did you just arrive?
Yes, Mama. Although I dropped my luggage in the house.
Okay. This is your service. Your service is not sure.
Mama, who is she?
You don't know her. She's my friend from this village. Yeah, she normally comes to help me. We'll talk about that later.
Thanks for helping my mother out.
Hey.
Okay, Mama, let me go to the house.
Okay, don't worry, I'll be joining you.
Close quickly.
I'll be coming fast.
Okay.
Your daughter?
Yes, my only child.
You have a daughter this big?
She has been in the university for over 4 years, but now she just finished her new service.
Chukwuka! Keriebono! Chukwuka! 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 Come here.
Nah, why you screaming like that?
Chukwuka!
Nah, why you shouting like that?
Chukwuka! Why have you decided not to heed to any of the warnings I've been giving you? Eh? How many times have I warned you not to go to my farmland to fetch that your stupid firewood?
Nah,
How many times?
Nah, that farmland equally belongs to me.
Chukwuka, you do not have any farmland. Let me sound it clear to your ear. You do not have any piece of land in this entire village.
What?
Even this house you are living with your twin sister, I gave it to you out of my benevolence. So tell me what you have.
Ndai. Ndai.
I don't want to repeat myself again.
Ndai. That farmland belongs to my father. So it belongs to me. I have every right to go into that farmland. Now you're pushing me to the wall, oh.
Eh?
Now you're pushing me to the wall.
Who are you to say that?
Now you're pushing me to the wall, oh.
Are you to say that I'm pushing you to the wall? Eh? If you want to try my patience again, go to that farmland.
Now you are pushing me to the wall. Okay.
I will show you if Oku Jinti okay, man.
Nah, that farmland belongs to my father. Oh.
Go there,
you are pushing me to the wall. Oh,
go there.
Okay.
Go there. I'm going to Oku Jinti, man.
Okay.
Could you get to your father? Yeah? Just go there. I'm not here. Huh? I'm going to leave Uncle.
Good morning.
Remember me?
Have we met before?
Yes. I'm the daughter of Madam Machi, the one that sells akara at the junction.
Madam Machi.
Yes.
That's my customer. I supply her firewood.
I know. I saw you the other day when you came around. You came to drop firewood.
Okay. You are that girl with youth corper uniform.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Though I've passed out.
Passed out?
Mm-hmm. I never mind. Where are you going to with a cutlass?
Ma?
Where are you going to?
Oh, I'm going to fetch firewood.
Okay. All right then. Take good care of yourself. I'm going to the shop now.
I should take care of myself.
Yes, take care of yourself.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Mama, tell me about that chukuka, the one that brings firewood for you.
Rose, what else do you want to hear from me? And the Joma that comes to help me do my akara business is the blood sister. They are both orphans.
Food poisoning. Hey! Like, the both of them died the same day. Hey! Who poisoned their food? The person, have they killed the person? The villagers, have they killed the person?
My dear, they couldn't trace them. And that death alone made them stop going to school. Just because they are nice, kind and hardworking. While her brother Chukwuka supplies me with firewood.
At least people that will also assist to help them, you know, cater for them.
Rose, why are you bombarding me with questions upon questions? Eh? Are you not done already? Please, I've told you the much I know about them. Have you forgotten that I'm not from this village?
Ijoma. Ijoma!
Brother,
Ijoma,
you're back. Welcome.
are you okay? I'm just coming from Madam Machi's place. She said you're not feeling fine. What happened?
I was there earlier, but then my head started to ache. So when she noticed, she gave me some money to buy drugs and she said I could go home and rest.
Did you buy the drugs?
Yes, I did. I feel better than I was feeling.
You feel better now?
Yes,
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
Huh? I'm just coming from her place. She scared me. She said you're very sick.
I'm fine now. Sit down, let me get your food.
Are you sure you're okay? Okay. She scared me. She said you're very sick. I had to rush back.
Okay.
2, 3. I'll put this one back to the business. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Okay. I'll invest this one. I'll save this one. I'll buy more trees with this one. And I'll give you Joma this one.
Joker, is that money you're holding?
Ijoma, how are you?
Joker, what money is this?
Ijoma, business was good today. Some people came from the north with a very big truck and packed all our firewood.
You mean this is our money?
I made a lot of money. Hi! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What did you say happened? This is a lot of money.
Some people came from the north. They came with a very big truck. They packed all our firewood. And they even asked me to bring more.
God, thank you. Thank you! God, thank you! Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you God will not forsake us? Look at money here. Hey! Hey!
Joma,
God.
after all we went through, after all we have been through, whoever thought we can make this type of money? You see, when one door closes, another one opens.
Hey! Chodalo. That's why I told you the other time that if it was God's wish that we suffer and die in the process, that would have been our case. But clearly, God is for us.
Of course.
Otherwise, how do you explain this money?
This is plenty money. And I've decided to save some. I'll invest some. I have to buy more trees.
Oh!
The trees are not... I have to buy more trees. So I've decided to save some, invest some, and I'll give you some.
Let me touch it small. Hey, this is a lot of money. Hey,
They said I can supply more.
Meaning you
Yes.
have their contacts now?
Yes.
Okay, I will go.
You're making egusi soup.
Hey, that's it. How did you know?
No, is it egusi soup or...
It's egusi now. After I finished, my madam paid me. I took the money to the market, go food stuff, egusi.
Did you buy stock? Did you buy stock fish?
Let me put my...
We have to invest the money, or we're not eating everything.
Hey, God, thank you.
Good afternoon. Where's your mother?
She's not around. Well, you can leave it for her.
Eh.
Yeah, how much is it?
No, don't worry. I'll come back. I'll come back.
No, she asked me to pay you when you come.
Okay. But wait. Your mother gives me whatever she likes.
Not a problem. You can have the 6,000.
No, I said your mother and I don't negotiate. She just gives me whatever she likes.
Fine, she asked me to pay you. Don't worry. 6,000 dirhams.
6,000.
Yes.
That's double the price, though.
It's not a problem. You can have it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But this is too much, oh. Ah. Thank you. Thank you.
I have come to see you as the mother and the father that we do not have anymore. You are my only brother. We do not keep secrets from each other. And I do not want that to start now. Chukwuka.
Ijoma, go straight to the point. Why are you beating about the bush?
Are you having anything to do with Rose?
Rose? No. I don't have anything to do with her.
I know why I'm asking. No.
Ijoma, why are you asking?
I know why I'm asking too.
Why are you asking?
Because the rumor making the rounds in this village is that you are dating her.
Ha! Ijoma, why do you listen to rumors? Why?
How is it a rumor? When the signs are everywhere.
Huh?
She came here the other day with some money, saying that it was her mother that sent her to come and get firewood. Something that has never happened before. The other day, it was you who took firewood to them. Instead of her to wait for the mother to pay us as usual, she paid by herself. Even paid more than the required amount. It's some rumor. Rumor again. Which rumor, Chukwuka?
Ijoma, you're not far from the truth. But honestly, I don't know why she's doing that.
I know why I'm having this discussion with you. It's so that you will not be the one that will indirectly remove food from our mouths. That will be very, very bad. It will be like buying a dang gun and shooting yourself on the leg by yourself.
I'm not doing anything.
If you want anything from her, genuinely ask her.
I'm not doing anything.
If you have genuine intentions, ask her like a man. You know what I mean.
I only sell firewood. I'm not doing anything.
Chukwuka.
I'm not doing anything, no.
Why are you frowning? I was on my way to your house and thank God
Rosemary, you have to stop coming close to me. Okay? You have to stop coming close to me.
But why? Is it wrong for a friend to visit her friend in the house?
We're not friends. I'm a business partner to your mom, and you need to understand that. And listen, people are beginning to watch us. Your actions are becoming very suspicious.
So that is it. Am I a baby? Even if we are dating, like, what is wrong with it? What's the problem? Why are you listening to what people are saying, Chuka?
So I can ask you how far with the investigations about what I told you. concerning what is going on between Chuka and your daughter. How far have you gone?
Oh my dear, the news about their illicit affair is all over the village.
I told you. I told you. You know that someone even told me that he saw two of them 2 days ago at Ngodo Road. Only the two of them na that road.
That lonely road?
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Eh?
Rosaline,
your daughter. And Chuka, the two of them at that lonely road.
And what would I do? Children of these days. I will only do my best though, and allow God to do the rest.
I will only do your best. Your best is not enough. Nne, you have to put a stop to that relationship. Are you not the mother?
I am.
Yeah, put a stop to
I've
it.
been talking.
Else, Chuka will bring a disgraceful ending to that innocent girl and even your family in general.
God forbid.
Okay, God forbid that.
I reject it in Jesus' name.
Hey! Pastor! What is wrong with this girl? Eh? The worst is that if Chuka pregnant that girl, your daughter, apart from think about Obara, she want to pay for the bride price. What if you joke? The earlier, the better. Makana na chubo ewo jiri ni ife tutu cheji. Do something. How bring on us all eziokwu echikwa afu heba mafro heba.
No, you have me to. I have been talking. You know, children of this, I've been talking, Rosaline.
Do something. Act fast. Osiso. Hey, you know that I was supposed to follow the other way.
Yes.
It is because of this discussion that made me come through this. Can lovers here? But remember what I told you. Stop the relationship.
I will. Definitely.
Thank you. Don't forget what I told you.
No, I will not. I will not. Monique, I will not. I will do something about it.
Hey, Chineke, God forbid. Hey, Madam Rosaline and Chuka. When did this one start?
Madam.
Hey, where are you going?
Ma? I came to ask if you need some firewood.
I don't think I will need it.
But madam, this firewood is small now. It will not be enough for you. I can get more for you.
Yeah, okay. Did they send you? Eh? Are you not deaf that you cannot hear? I told you I don't need your firewood for now. Because.
But madam, we're not quarreling now. I only came to ask you if you need some firewood as usual.
I don't need your firewood.
But
Are you deaf? Go, Biko. Come. Firewood. Is it my fault? Firewood or my fault?
I warned you, but you refused to listen. Now look at the situation. Madam Rose has stopped you from supplying her firewood. Who knows what is next? She might wake up one morning and say I should stop working in her shop. Hey, God forbid. Hey, Chukubiko, may it not get to that. Let's not get to that.
Ijoma, I can swear before any deity. I can swear before any deity that I have nothing to do with her daughter.
Chuka, I told you several times that if you were into this girl, let our Umunna know, and we will go to her father's house, perform the necessary traditional rites on her head, and she will become yours.
Ijoma.
To avert a situation like this.
Oh, Ijoma, I have told you time and time again, I have nothing to do with her. What's wrong with you?
Don't shout at me. Don't shout at me because this is not a shouting matter. Madam Rose was telling me that somebody saw you and Rose by Ngodo Road having sex.
Ha! And you believe that?
What is her?
Ha!
Chukwuka. Knowing my brother, it was hard to believe her. So I did my best in convincing her that these were all village gossips. But I cannot help but ask you now, were you by Ngodo Road last week with Rose? Were you two in any way
Yes.
within that?
Yes.
Shima,
But it's not what you think.
what do I think?
We were just discussing. We didn't have sex. In fact, she was on her way to this house, and I told her to stop coming here, that she should never come here again. I warned her not to come. We didn't have sex. I didn't know things would turn out to be like this.
Why didn't you allow her come here to discuss whatever it is she wanted to discuss? Because standing by Ngodo Street or Ngodo Road to have that discussion has brought us into this mess.
Well, I didn't know things would turn out to be like this.
Well, it has. It has. And now we have to think of ways to amend it.
Where's Chuka?
He's not around. He went to fetch firewood. He's not back. What is it?
Nothing. There's no problem. I just wanted to see him. Maybe I should just sit and wait for him.
I'm going out. You can't be here by yourself. I think you should come back tomorrow.
That's true. I'll be on my way.
Oh, Mama, come back here. Mama. Where are you going to? Listen, I cannot sit and watch you disgrace me in this house. Rather, you will leave.
Mama, the way you're taking this whole thing is not fair. I don't understand. What's all this? Mama, whoever is feeding you with this false information does not mean well for this family.
What do you call false information? Huh? That you have been seen gallivanting around this village, messing yourself up with that common ordinary chuka, and you dare call it false?
Me? Mama, me messing myself up.
And according to him, you have been messing yourself up with that boy for a very long time now.
Mama, according to who? See, Mama, I would have said I'm disappointed at you, but what you're just saying now, it's just making me to feel like crying. Why are you saying all this, Mama?
Rosemary, were you not seen with that boy at Ngodo Road?
So, I don't understand, Mama. Does it mean I cannot make friends anymore? Like, I cannot have a friend in this village?
You can, yes, but definitely not with Chuka that can hardly feed himself.
Why? Is he not a human being, Mama? Is Chuka not a human being? Oh, because he does not have money now. See, Mama, you don't know tomorrow. You don't know tomorrow. Tomorrow is pregnant. He might have money tomorrow.
Whatever. But I cannot allow my only child go through what happened between me and your late father. You think I am happy to leave my husband's village to come to this village and be paying house rent? I will not allow that happen to my daughter.
Amen. It will not happen.
Yes, that your amen will only manifest when you advise yourself and begin to use your head. I have said my own. Nonsense. You are following a boy that can hardly feed himself. That church rat is who you are following.
Can't they just have friends? What kind of thing is this gossip? Say everywhere.
I have to tell you the truth.
What is it?
I don't like the way you chase after me. And I want you to know that there's nothing between us.
But we can be friends.
Is there anything wrong with that?
No, but you know the way the people of this village behave. Huh? When they see a man and a woman standing together or sitting together.
Who cares? Hence, we are not doing anything wrong. I don't see any crime in
The problem is anytime you come close to me, it affects my source of income.
your source of income. How?
Okay, I'll explain. Your mother asked me to stop supplying her firewood. And it is because of you.
What? Why would she do a thing like that?
I don't know. And who knows what's going to happen next. So anytime you come close to me, it affects my business. Your mother has stopped doing business with me because of you. So you have to stop coming close to me. Besides, I don't even know who saw you on your way here. Please, I don't want trouble. Anytime you come close to me, it affects my business. Biko.
Okay, good afternoon.
Why are you greeting me? You think I don't know where you're coming from? You went to see him.
I don't get. See who?
Pretender. Why are you pretending as if I don't know what I'm talking about? You went to see Chuka, my brother now. Sure?
Your brother. Chuka.
Oh. Is that what you're talking about?
Please, please, please. I don't have time for village girl like you.
Hey, stand here. Come here. Stand here first. Stand here. Rose, or whatever you call yourself. So you've not changed. I mean, I was in this village. You went to, what's it called, university, or that is sitting uni. Do you know where you went? The school could not even change you. You're still that very old Rose that used to pretend and lie anyhow. So you could not change. See, let me tell you. Chuka will not marry you, so leave him alone.
Who is even talking about marriage here? Why are you eating yourself up, Oge? Why? Why? Anyway, they said illiteracy is a disease. And I'm sure that is what is affecting you. Better go look for a way to take care of yourself. At least smell nice. Rather than walking around stinking dirty girl.
Stand here, sitting girl. Are you done talking or whining your mouth? All I'm saying, I may be a village girl. I don't care. I may not know how to dress. So I'm looking in big. Eh? I don't even make my hair. But at least I don't prostitute. You are a prostitute. You prostitute right from school where you went. What you went there to do is not even to study. Because assuming you went to study, you will not be looking like this. Wait, went there. Hey, shut up, I'm talking. Hey, shut up, I'm talking. You went there to prostitute and you came back to this village. You still continue. Is there any man in this village that have not slept with you? Everybody in this village has slept with you.
Okay, me.
Hey, shut up.
Okay.
Shut up.
Me, I'm a prostitute.
Shut up,
Look at you. Just take a good look at you. Old woman, your mates are married in their husband's house. What? Yes. Old woman. Okay. Chuka now is your brother. Okay, Chuka is your brother. When you and your parents killed his own parents and made them orphan. Yes, you think nobody will find out? Everybody knows.
Can you just repeat what Can you just...
Okay. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay.
I'll leave you here. I don't have respect for elders.
Told me before now, I would have kicked against you talking to Uncle Ejiogo. That man is a crooked man. He's just like a snake.
Ijoma, we can't continue to pretend. A problem shared is half solved.
As true as that is, but not when it has to do with Uncle Ejiogo. Mba.
Maybe I should just leave this village. I want to leave this village.
To where?
Ijoma, to anywhere. I'm not sure where. But
I want to leave this wicked village. Yes, I want to.
Chukwuka, don't come and make yourself a typical case of who moved from frying pan and entered fire. Instead of journeying to the city, why don't we go back to our maternal home?
What?
It's just right here.
Our maternal home?
Yeah.
Ijoma, how can you think of a thing like that? Huh? Ijoma, we have tried. We have worked tirelessly to ensure that they see us as their own. But it's not going to be like that.
We'll keep trying. We will keep trying and we'll keep putting it in prayers. There is nothing God cannot do. Hopefully one day they will change their mind about us.
I'm just tired.